What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I have another brand new job lead for you guys. This one is a high paying job lead where you can make up to around $1,900 per week, just a little bit shy of $2,000 per week. So this job, the salary range goes over six figures, but on average, people have reported making around that $2,000 mark per week. So this is a really great opportunity for anyone that is looking for a full-time remote work from home job. Now, before I get into the details of this particular job, there's some other jobs that I covered just about a day ago, or probably 1 to 2 days ago, that the job listings are still up. You can still apply. And just in case you guys weren't able to see those job leads, I wanted to cover some very quickly. So before we get into the main job lead for today, I just want to cover a few of these. So first of all, there was a part-time position here, remote part-time position where you could be a data annotator for AI models, and this is paying you $20 per hour. So if you're looking for something part-time that doesn't even require you to do an interview, all you got to do is sign up here, and they have some assessments for you to take. And basically, you complete your profile, you do the assessments, and you can make $20 per hour. And this is part-time, 4 to 6 hours. And I think this is a project that is going to last about 4 to 6 weeks. So something short-term for anyone that just needs some extra cash and also doesn't have a whole lot of time to spend. And all you really needed here was a computer, which you probably already have. Also, it could be a MacBook or a laptop, so either works. Email service, which could be Outlook, Gmail, or any other email, and reliable high-speed internet access. So this was a position here at RWS, covered this about 2 days ago, so be sure to check this out if you missed out on this one. Also, there was another position here, service support desk analyst. This job is paying around $70,000 per year. For this one, you don't need a college degree. These are the only requirements here, and you could go through this. I mean, I went down into detail in this in another video, but the only other things you needed was to be a US citizen and be able to pass a security clearance or some security clearances. So this was another really good job lead. And for this job, you'd be providing technical help desk support to customers, calling a service support desk. And again, this job is paying around $70,000 per year. So fairly good salary, remote work from home job. Now, finally, there were some other positions that I covered. I think I covered these just a day ago. And the customer success manager here, by the way, this company gives you a ton of benefits. So you get to work from home, flexible PTO, flexible schedule, you get training depending on what you're doing. You also get medical plans, 401k with company match, holidays as well, even paid primary caregiver leave for 12 weeks and parental bonding leave for 2 weeks. So a ton of really good benefits here. They're hiring for a customer success manager, so that's also a really good position. And they're hiring for a customer success representative as well. They were also hiring for a human resources generalist. They were hiring for a data solutions specialist, and they were also hiring for a technical project manager. Now, the job listings here, they didn't have any salaries. I went into great detail in another video, but when I review the salaries on Glassdoor, most, if not all of these jobs were paying close to six figures. I think the only one that was paying less was probably this one, customer success representative, and this job still was paying around $70,000 per year based on reported salaries at this company. So if you missed out on any of these, be sure to go ahead and check out my video from yesterday and also the day before. And for these jobs, actually, this video was posted on the work from home channel, which is my second channel. For these two, you may be able to find that in the video for yesterday, but these are on the work from home channel. Also, with that said, be sure to go over to the work from home channel if you haven't already done so. This right here is where I'm posting all the highest paying remote work from home jobs that I can find online. So be sure to go over here, check out some of my previous videos. For example, just about a day ago, easy work from home jobs where you can make money watching videos online. You can make around $24 per hour. Also, jobs hiring worldwide, over 100 jobs worldwide, and you can make over $1,300 per week. So I am finding really high paying jobs here. And so if you never want to miss out on another high paying job lead, be sure to go over to this channel, be sure to subscribe, but more importantly, tap the notification bell, turn on all notifications, because the thing is that I don't find these higher paying jobs every single day. So I post whenever I find the high paying jobs. So you need the notifications on, so that way whenever I do post, you get notified, and that way you'll be the first to see that job lead before a lot of people apply and before the job listings are pulled. So with all that covered, let's dive into the actual job lead for this video. And this is gonna be working as a customer success manager out of this company, FinThrive. Now, this company is hiring a customer success manager. And it says here, the customer success manager is responsible for managing assigned customers and supporting all aspects of customer management activities. This role is accountable for customer satisfaction and value realization as measured by gross and net revenue targets, contract renewal, and referrals for expansion opportunities. The CSM will collaborate with other colleagues from customer success, sales, support, implementation, product management, development, and marketing as appropriate to serve the needs of their customers. Now, in this job, this is what you'll be doing. So you'll capture and track customer value metrics and targets. You'll also be responsible for creating an account plan and customer growth strategy in collaboration with sales executives. Also, internally document at-risk mitigation plans, provide leadership regular updates on assigned customers' status. Also own that the CSM is a key role in customer satisfaction and performance, assure satisfaction among customer groups, manage all renewals and accurate listing of contract expiration dates, protect existing revenue and monthly analysis of revenue variances, serve as internal escalation point for issues regarding a customer's contract or even invoices, conduct annual reviews quarterly, possess a full and complete understanding of the internal control requirements, meet and exceed quarterly and annual customer revenue targets, comply with renewal process and meeting or exceeding renewal targets, identify growth opportunities with assigned customer base, secure and increase references, ensure customer satisfaction to include owning communication of value realization, as well as by managing and setting customer expectations through remote customer management, and also manage escalations from assigned customers. So quite a bit here. And for a job like this, they're looking for someone that has a bachelor's degree, also 3+ years of work experience in customer success management, also executive presence and presentation skills, work autonomously, independently, and also as a part of a team for collaboration, written and verbal communication skills, also experience interfacing with both internal team members and external customers, computer knowledge, including knowledge of Microsoft Office, so Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, proactive self-starter, and also a collaborative team player and quick learner. Now, this is a remote work from home job. However, they say you can expect to travel 40 to 60% at a time, so keep that in mind as well. Now, as for things that they would prefer, they'd prefer if you have experience in healthcare RCM, they'd prefer if you have knowledge of FinThrive products and services or competitors, knowledge of the healthcare industry, specifically revenue cycle management, experience using Gainsight, and involvement with the HFMA. Now, for this position, there wasn't any salaries listed, so we'll have to go over to Glassdoor to kind of figure out what this job is paying. But before we even do that, if you guys have been applying for jobs and you've not been getting any interviews, and you also haven't been having a lot of success, or you know that your resume needs work, be sure to check out this resource that I created, which is the Pro Resume Templates right here. Professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system. Simply means that your resume won't be discarded by the system. It'll actually make it to the hiring manager or a real human for review, which is what you want. So 3 resume templates, they come with instructions. They come broken down into sections. Each section has instructions on how to customize it depending on the type of job that you're applying for. Also, matching cover letter templates with instructions as well, matching reference pages, matching thank you letters, interview follow-ups with instructions as well. Everything is fully customizable. Also, there is a video included, a screen recording showing you guys exactly how you can go about editing these templates very quickly, and you don't need to pay for any software to edit these, and it's really flexible. You can edit these on any platform, so you can be on a MacBook or a laptop, even on your phone. You can do this using Google Docs, which is free. So everything is included. So if you do need this resource, I've left the link down below. Now back to our job here, the customer success manager at FinThrive. Now again, no salaries listed, so I had to go over to Glassdoor to find what this company was paying. So this company is listed here on Glassdoor. They have over 600 reviews and almost 1,000 reported salaries here on Glassdoor. Overall rating for the company is 3.5 out of 5 stars, so fairly good reviews here. We'll actually go down and take a look at some reviews. So first review here is a 5-star review. Anonymous employee: pros, committed workforce solving big problems. The technology team has a solid agile SDLC with innovative tools. Cons: nothing negative to say at this time. So really good reviews here. You guys could go through all 600 or over 600 reviews to see what other people had to say about working here based on their role. Now, as for salaries, let's take a look at what the salaries are, or reported salaries here. So right off the bat, a manager here, based on 21 reported salaries, is making anywhere from $76,000 to $128,000 per year, on average around $99,000, which is right around $2,000 per month, or probably $1,900 plus per month. Now this could be manager of just about anything. So if we go down a bit further, we have a customer service representative here. They're making anywhere from $37,000 to $50,000 per year. Also, a solutions manager makes around $82,000 to $134,000 per year. So you could go through all the salaries here, but it seems to be that most managers here are making well over 6 figures. So a product manager here, based on 11 reported salaries, makes around $142,000. A project manager, based on 12 reported salaries, makes an average around $92,000 per year. And so again, you could go through a lot of these jobs here and you could see what they reported paying. So really good job lead here. Be sure to go ahead and apply as soon as you possibly can, because again, whenever I come across jobs like these, there are a lot of people that are qualified or even overqualified for this position that will come across this video. They will apply, and so the job listing may be pulled if there are a lot of suitable applicants. And this job is a high-paying job, so I expect that there will be a lot of applicants. So be sure to just go ahead, open a new tab right now, and start applying for this job if you are indeed interested. So with all that covered, this was the job lead for today. All the best in finding that dream remote work from home job that you're looking for, that pays you a ton, gives you a lot of freedom and flexibility. Don't forget to go over to my second channel, the work from home channel. I actually just posted another brand new job lead there today, so be sure to check that out. And with all that covered, all the best, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.